Hey our friends, today we're going to draw a cool eagle.
Yeah, one with sunglasses. Here's a quick preview of how our drawings turned out at the very end.
This lesson was really fun.
Yeah, it was. And I hope our friends are excited to follow along with us. We're using our markers to draw and color with, but you can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom. You can use colored pencils or even...
Crayons.
Yeah, crayons would work great. Let's start by drawing the beak, and we're going to draw an upside down letter U in the middle of our paper. We can start here and also towards the top of our paper so that we have room for the body down here. Yeah, and then let's draw, well, on the left side, I'm going to draw it curving down further, and then we're going to curve up for the beak, the eagle beak, and then draw an S curve on its side. And then we can start here, and we're going to come over and connect to the right side. We can also add a little nostril for eagle. And now we're ready to draw our eagle's head. We're going to start here and draw an upside down letter U, a big one. Yep, keep going.
Mine's a little smaller.
I like it. It's good. And it's okay if your drawings are different too, because the most important thing is
To have fun.
yeah, and to
Practice.
Practice. Remember to have fun and practice. All right, let's keep going.
Okay.
We're going to draw the feathers down here at the bottom. So we can draw a curve coming up. And then we're going to draw letter U's going over to the other side. And we're going to try to space them out. So right here you can draw a little curve just like we did over here. Yeah, okay, now let's make our eagle cool. We're gonna draw the sunglasses, and we're gonna draw a horizontal line coming across, and I'm gonna stop there. So we have a little space on the right. And then on the left side, I'm gonna extend it out just past the head, and we could draw a little curve on both sides. Then we're gonna draw the lens. We're going to come down and curve into the beak. And then it's going to come up over here. We'll come across to the other side. And then we're going to draw another curve for the lens on the right side. He already looks really cool. Yes. Good job. You did it. Now at the very end, we're going to color this in solid black. So let's keep going. We'll draw the earpiece, even though eagles don't have ears that stick out. We're going to draw a curve at the very end. Then we can make this thicker by drawing the same line and curve. And then right here, we can connect those together. Okay, now let's draw our eagle's body. We're going to leave a little space right here, and we're going to draw the chest coming down and curving underneath. Now let's draw another curve over here for the wing. And then we'll also draw a curve here for the right wing. And then let's draw the back of the wing curving out this way. And then right here we'll draw the first feather coming back into the wing. Then we'll draw another one in the middle. And then right here we can connect this feather in. Yeah, and then right here we can draw two little curves. Actually, let's add one more. Then let's finish our eagle's body down here. We're gonna leave space, and then we'll draw a little line across. And then we'll leave more space right here, and then draw it curving up and connecting to the wing. Yes, and then right here we're going to draw the first leg curving in. Then we'll come over here and we'll draw this other curve for the other leg. Now let's draw the rest of the leg and also the feet. So we'll draw two lines coming out of each of these little bumps. Well, this one got skinny. Okay, then we're gonna draw the toes coming out. And then right here we'll curve back in. And then let's draw another curve for the other toe. And then we'll come back like this and then curve around and connect it. It's kind of tricky. You did it. Good
Yes.
job. Let's repeat that same step for the other foot. So we draw the big toe coming out and then back in. Then we're going to draw the other toe. Whoops, I made that one really big. I don't know what's going on. Then, then we'll draw the bottom of it coming around, connecting in. That was a long toe.
Yeah.
And it's also a skinny leg.
Yeah.
But that's okay, right?
Yes.
What do we have left to draw?
The tail feathers.
Yeah, let's do it. Right here, let's draw the tail sticking out here. And I'm going to draw it coming back, almost like we'll connect. Then let's add another feather next to it. And then one more tail feather and then connect it. Oh, let's also add 2 feathers here, but we could add a couple more, maybe one on each side. Then we can add more feathers down here. We did it, we finished drawing our cool eagle, except we still need to.
Color them.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video to match our same color. Jack, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our cool eagle, and it looks awesome, all colored in.
Yeah, it does.
I hope our friends will color their drawings too. You could even add a background, maybe fireworks and a flag.
You could also draw even more eagles.
Yeah, like baby eagles. That would be really cool.
Yeah, we hope you have fun drawing cool eagles with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.